Hey everyone, I thought what a better way to come back to YouTube than do a room tour. As some of you know, I collect Hot Wheels and yeah. For those who don't know, I have been doing TikTok lives and stuff like that and I've been asked for a room tour, so I thought how about I just show it in a video. So these are mostly randoms. I mean, this is a mess at the moment, but we will just ignore it for now. This is at premiums. If you want to see something in more detail, do let me know. And then obviously I can always show it to you. Then you've got our JDM wall, which actually gets changed like weekly or so. You've got a couple of Hot Wheels stuff here, like randomly, that they just don't have a place in the room. Yes, you do have the chocolate calendar. But let me show you the favorite part of the room. It's the Lego display. This is how it looked originally. Obviously had the Lego pieces inside, which we took them out. And these two are modified, so it's the exact same display, but obviously just a lot more work has been done to it. So we've got the loose, apart from that obviously semi-loose. You've got the super there, you got the keyring thing there, you've got a couple more supers, you've got Zamak. Most of our Zamaks are actually on the wall, but I wanted this for the longest time, so I thought it deserved a place there. This way you got the mini GTs and you've got one Eno 64. You've also got the Fast and Furious Jada house. Then if we move here, it's just cars pretty much everywhere. There's some hidden there as well. There's also there. And also a pack there. You got cars up here. As I said, it's pretty much a 360. Just cars. So yeah. So as I said, I already have video ideas planned, but if there's anything else you want to see like separately, do let me know. Any like premium sets or anything like that, any mini GTs that you want to see from my collection or anything like that, do let me know, and obviously I'll see what I can do. So thank you for watching.